Hi. So in this video, I'm going to discuss assignment number 7. Let's start with question number 1. So I recommend you watch my video on induction that I made earlier in my YouTube channel. Let's discuss question number 1. In this, we want to use induction. Okay, first see that for n is equal to 1, this statement is true. Okay, so you have 1 cube is equal to 1 and then 1 plus 1 by 2 square. So this will be 2 and 2 cancel out and 1 square is 1. So both of these agree. Now let's assume this is true for n is equal to k, and this will be 1 cube, 2 cube till k cube. Okay. So this will be k into k plus 1 whole square. Okay, by 2 whole square. Okay. Maybe I should write it more clearly. 2 is inside bracket. Okay. Okay. And now we have to prove that assuming this, we have to prove that n is equal to k plus 1. For k plus 1, this statement should hold. Okay. Uh, so this is what we need to prove. Okay. So let's add k plus 1 cube to this equation. Okay, because this is true. So this we get this one. Okay, and now let's simplify the right hand side to get this. Then we will be done. Okay, so let's see. This is k square, k plus 1 square by 4. This will be 4k plus 1 cube. All right, and then you take k plus 1 square common, you will get k square plus 4k plus 1 by 4. This is, you are happy with this, right? Now you can write it like this, and then this will be k plus 2 square. 4. Okay. So induction is complete. So this is the statement. This statement is true for all natural number. Okay, done. Okay. Hello. Okay, so let's begin discussing question number 2. Okay, so how do you do it? This is sin x plus 1. Okay, from minus pi to pi, and we have to divide it into 4 sub-intervals. So this will be 0, this will be pi by 2 minus pi by 2. Okay, equal intervals. Okay, equal length intervals. Uh, okay, and then how do you? This one is left endpoint. Uh, CK is your left endpoint given. Okay, so how do you calculate? F minus pi, and this delta xk is pi by 2, right? This length is pi by 2, right? This length is also pi by 2. This length is pi by 2. Okay. Delta xk is width. Okay. Remember that. Okay. So this then f minus pi by 2, pi by 2, and f 0, pi by 2, and then f pi by 2, pi by 2. Okay. This is your f ck delta xk. So uh, f minus pi by will be, what is f? Remember f is sin x plus 1. So you will get sin minus pi plus 1 pi by 2. So sin minus pi by 2 plus 1. 1 sin pi by 2 plus 1 pi by 2. Okay. This one will be 1, right? Because sin minus pi is 0. So this one will be 1 into pi by 2. This will be pi by 2. Then this will be minus 1 plus 1, right? This will be 0. Then this will be pi by 2. What is sin pi by 2 then? This will be 1, 1 and plus 1, 2. So this will be pi. So you will get 2 pi. I hope my calculation is right. Okay. So, okay, let's do B. Uh, let's take midpoint this time. Okay, let's take midpoint, and let's take fx is equal to x square minus 1 on 0 to 2. Okay. Others are also similar. You do it on your own. Okay. So let me just do this for you. Okay. This is 0 to 2. If you divide it into 4 equal intervals, then this will be half, 1, and then 3 by 2. Okay. So, so C, so xk, x0 is equal to 0, x1 is equal to half, x2 is equal to 1, x3 is equal to 3 by 2, x4 is equal to 2. So this is a first interval. This is a second interval. This is third interval. This is the fourth interval. एक दो okay. Okay. This is your first, this is your second, this is the third, this is the fourth. Okay. Uh okay. And what is your CK? CK is your this one middle point. Okay. So CK is this middle point. First, this one will be C1, this one will be C2, and C3. This one will be C4. Okay. So what is C1? C1 is equal to 1 by 4. C2 is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Because this will be half plus 1 by 2, right? Middle point of this one. And C3 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2 by 2. So this will be 2, 5 by 2 by 2. So this will be 5 by 4. And C4 will be 3 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So this will be 3 plus 4 by 4. So be 7 by 4. Okay. So now you can put your value. Okay. This will be delta FCK del XK. This del XK is given by XK minus XK minus 1. Okay. So it is the width. Okay. Width is equal in our case because we have chosen it to be so. So this one is actually half, right? So this is okay. This is from K1 to 4. You put FC1 delta XK, FC2 delta XK, FC3, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, FC4 delta X4, and FC1 will be F1 by 4. Then delta X1, this is half. This will be FC2 will be C2 is what? 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4. Ah, FC3. F5 by 4. Ah, FC4. F7 by 4. Ah, okay. Hmm. So now you put values. F F is x square minus 1, right? So this will be 1 by 4 square minus 1 half plus 1 by 3 by 4 square minus 1 into half. Then 5 by 4 square minus 1 into half. Then 7 by 4 square minus 1 into half. 1 by 16 minus 1. So I think you can do the calculation now. Okay. Okay, you do the calculation. This will be 1 by 16, 9 by 16, 25 plus 49. And then minus 16, minus 16, minus 16, minus 16. So 10, 25, 35. I hope you can do the calculation. Okay. Let's discuss question number 3. Okay. So we have to find the Riemann sum obtained by dividing AB into n equal intervals. Okay. Okay, let's do this. So we have to find this, right? FCK delta XK and k is equal to 1 to n. Okay, if you divide, this is the graph of y is equal to 2x will be something like this, right? Anyway, let's divide it into n different. Okay, so this is 0, this is 3. If you divide into n equal intervals, then each will be of length p by n, right? So it will be 3 by n, then 6 by n, then n 9 by n, right? So let's go to the kth one. The kth one will be, see, this is the first interval, this is the second interval, third interval. Okay, so the kth interval will be uh, okay, so this will be 3k by n, and this one will be 3k minus 1 by n. Okay, this is the first interval, second interval, kth interval. Okay, okay. So, and ck we are taking, each time we are taking this right hand point. Okay, so let's say this is 0 to 3 by n, this is our first interval, sub interval. We are taking the right hand point, so c1 will be 3 by n. Okay, c2 will be 3 into 2, that is 6n. Okay, and so kth interval is this one, right? 3k minus 1 by n, 3k by n, and we are taking right endpoint. So ck will be 3k by n. Okay, so k is equal to 1 to n, and remember f ck is 3k by n, and delta xk is xk minus xk minus 1. That is the width, and width is you can calculate, this one is 3 by n, right? So this will be 3 by n, and f of, so 2 3k by n, because f x is equal to 2x, so that what I'm using, and then this is k1 to n, and then 2 into 3 into 3, this will be 9 into 2, 18. 18 k is equal to 1 to n, k by n square. Okay, okay, this is the summation on k, so you can take n outside, and k is equal to 1 to n k. Okay, so okay, let's say, so this one will be 18 n square, and this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 till n. Okay, and now you use to verify that first n integer, the formula is given by n into n plus 1 by 2. You can prove this using induction. Okay, using induction you can prove this. Okay, so that's what I'm going to use, 18 n square, and put this into n plus 1 by 2. You will get 18 into n square plus n by 2n square. Okay. So you will get 9, 1 plus 1 by n. And now if you take limit n tend to infinity, fck delta xk, then you will get 9, right? Because 1 by n tends to 0, right? Limit n tend to infinity 1 by n is equal to 0, right? So you will get 9. So answer is 9. Now let's do fx. Okay. Fx is equal to 3x square. Okay. B. So in this also, this is 0 to 1. So if you divide by n equal intervals, then this will be 0, this will be 1 by n, 2 by n, and so on till 1. And your kth interval will look like k by n, k minus 1 by n. Okay. First interval, second interval, okay, kth interval will look like this. And this is what we have to find. And your delta xk is 1 by n. This is your width. And ck is your right endpoint. Okay. So what do you do now? Oh, did I make a mistake? Okay. Ck is a right endpoint given by k by n. So f k by n, delta xk is 1 by n. And f is our 3x squared. So this will be 3k square n square 1 by n. So this will be 3 summation k square n cube. Okay. Then this will be k is equal to 1 to n. So 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, n square. Okay. Now let me check the formula for first n square. Uh, okay, okay. So for k square, this is the formula. First, okay. For first n square number, the formula is this one is equal to n into n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Okay. You can prove this using induction. Okay. So that I'm using here. So 1 by 2 and you divide by n, this will be n square. N plus 1 to n plus 1. Okay. And now you take inside here. So this will be 1 plus 1 by n. Then this will be 2 plus 1 by n. This is all right. Now limit n tend to infinity. This will be half 1 into 2. Answer will be 1. Okay. Okay. So this one concludes question number 3. Let's move to next question. Okay, I will solve the question number 5. So that 0 to 1 x plus 8 dx lies between 2 root 2 and 3. Okay. So, okay. See this. That's x plus 8. Okay. X is between 0 to 1. So x plus 8 is between uh okay, this. Okay. So see this 0 to 1. This is your 8. X y is equal to 8, and this is y is equal to 9. No, no. Let's take 2 root 2 and 3. Okay. Your graph is something like this. Okay. Okay. So this is your area that is given by 0 to 1 root x plus 8, but this will be less than 3 into 1, right? This rectangle. Okay. And this area is greater than this thing, this small rectangle, which is given by 2 root 2 into 1. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching this.